Alright, this is for Wii BMX fans. Got my 2013 full custom Miraco. I know everyone thinks Miracos are bad, but bought in St. Louis. I got ODI long neck grips. I cut off the flanges. I need to get some new ones, obviously. Pretty rough. ODI Barons. Odyssey Lumberjack XL handlebars, 9 rise, and I'm pretty sure 29 width. But it don't really matter. I might cut them down. I don't know what kind of top load stem that is. I'm gonna get the new Band Sludge XL stem. Odyssey headset. Demolition Elite forks. The Primo N4FL rim wheel. All from Danscom. Fit 2.2. Fit FAF tire 2.25. RC JPEG front and back. I got a animal wedge seat post, but you can't see it. I like my seat low. I don't never sit on it. Colt, DAC seat, and Rasta. I used to have Madeira Protocol cranks and a Tree Light sprocket, but I broke those because I was an idiot. Anyway, I got Odyssey JC PC pedals, exposure crank arms, a DK sprocket. Yeah, don't make fun of me. It's just temporary until I get some money. Demolition bottom bracket, a KMC chain. I broke it, so put in white links. I got a Haro Le Mesa back tire 2.0. Got a Primo cassette wheel from Danscom to I guess that's pretty much it. There she is. I'm sorry it's so zoomed in. It's because my sister's iPad. Because she gets whatever she wants. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and comment.